So this is something interesting, but it's not really that surprising. So this is something that was actually filed a little while ago by Motorola, and it was a patent that let you be able to have a motorized hinge. So hear me out on this one. This is what the patent looks like, and there's actually some more images too, but this is a good indication. When you are taking a picture of yourself, either with the inside camera or the outside cameras, it's a motorized hinge. So it would find your face wherever your face is, and then it follows your face around as you move around. So if you get up, it can go back. If you move closer, it can go forward. So that's the whole idea. It's kind of like a autofocus on your face, and the hinge can move the top of the phone in whatever way possible that actually makes it easier for you to take videos and pictures of your face. So it's a cool concept. And also, for obvious sake here, you can also have it open and close. That's another thing. So the idea is very interesting. I feel like the idea, though, would kind of get old very quickly, and I feel like it wouldn't be that big of a selling feature at the end of the day. Like, for example, I know Apple's most recent feature is they have their action button, but they also have their camera button. And it's cool. It's awesome. It's a gimmick in a way, because I don't feel like it's going to be that crazy used after, let's say, a year or so. People are going to be like, oh yeah, I love my camera button. They're already finding issues with it where it's easier just to tap the screen to take a picture. Because when you touch the camera button, what ends up happening is the phone shakes, and it does kind of mess up the image. There's going to be problems like with this as well. This might work out for you and a friend, going out to get something to dinner, maybe walking around the city or the town, and you set up your phone on a ledge. And this motorized hinge lets you be able to take a picture of yourself, and it kind of moves around so you're always in frame if you're doing a video or a dance or something like that, right? So again, it's a cool concept, it's a cool idea, and obviously there's more things you can implement with a motorized hinge. I just don't know if it really would ever be that big of a selling point. And then the hinge, if it's motorized, what if something breaks in the motor? What if there's an issue with the motor in the motorized hinge? Like, again, these are all things you got to think about, because this is a cell phone that you're going to be using every single day. You're going to be flipping it open every single day. And that's another thing. Can you still flip it open? Or do you have to click a button and then it just opens by itself? I feel like there's definitely inconvenience there of, flippable cell phone, done. You just flip it open within milliseconds, and you're in it. Motorized hinge, you hit a button, it's going to be like, doo, and it's going. I mean, even if it opens up in a second, it's still going to be some time, right? And obviously, the point of flippable cell phones is less space in your pocket, more area, or more things you can do with them, and it's all about saving time. More productivity with a bigger screen, but less of a footprint in your pocket. So I don't know. I mean, again, it's an interesting idea. With the most recent patent being unveiled, this could become something, but I just don't know how much it would actually change. Now, if Motorola does it, right, and it's successful, well, you already know what's going to happen. It's a copycat industry. Every single foldable or flippable cell phone, not foldable, but every flippable cell phone from now on will have this feature. This will be a caked-on feature for every single flippable cell phone, which is, hey guys, this has a motorized hinge. Hey, it's kind of on the same par, in all honesty, as the last phone we looked at, the last flippable phone idea, where it detaches itself from the top to the bottom of the display. It's a cool gimmick, it's a cool idea, but sometimes ideas aren't always that practical. Are they practical? That's what you have to kind of dictate. I don't know if this is practical. You can tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, though. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.